Hey everyone, so today this video is going to be a little bit different. In a perfect world, I would be like, yeah, let's do the CB radio with some cool music. However, I had to make a choice. Part of the frame needed to be repaired, in particular 3 parts. So I just finished one part. I'm going to be working on the other 2. As I get it done, I'm going to be posting pictures here and there of the work I'm doing. And once it's all done, I'll put up a video that goes over the work I did, how to be safe. If you have a Jeep that has iffy frame, right, I'll show you a couple of ways to check. And then if you do want to try taking it on, I'll show you what I did, and I'll be putting it to the test on this road trip. So here's the metal replacement panel that I've been working on. I've tried to get it as close as I can for gap wise. Now, my welder isn't strong enough, so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting a 45-degree bevel to the piece of metal. That way, when I put it in place, I have a little bit more access to get more penetration. And I might have to do about maybe two layers of welds, but at least that way I know that I can get through the entire thing. So I just did my first run of welds. This is how it's looking so far. All right, guys, so there's the update. I'd love to talk some more, but I really do got to get back to work. So I will see you in the next video.